Hi, this is Bill Johnston with Kansas Corn, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're doing the experiment with Kansas Corn about how light affects the growth of a plant. So I want to help you set this experiment up so that it works really well for you. First of all, we've provided some of these things, and we have these pots. We suggest that you put in about a cup and a half of potting soil, which will fill it up right to the top. Then you're going to lightly pack this potting soil till it's about at the level of this ring right here. So we pack that the way we want it. And then we're going to put in 3 seeds. These 3 seeds we're going to put in about the depth to our first knuckle. So take the seed, put it on top of the soil, push down until it's about the depth of your first knuckle. All 3 seeds, and then cover them up and pack them real lightly again. We're going to do the same thing in both pots. So once you have these seeds in place, they're going to need some water. So we recommend that you put in 5 tablespoons of water. Spread it evenly so that each seed gets water. And then one of these we need to put in a place where there's plenty of sunlight, like maybe on a window sill. The other one you're going to put in the dark somewhere, maybe in a closet or possibly covered in a box like this. In a few days those seeds will sprout, and we're going to see how light affects these plants. In research like this, you have, in this case, 2 items. You have the control, which is the plant that you're going to treat normal. You're going to provide it with everything you need. Like this one, it's going to go in the window so it gets the water and the sunlight it needs. This one is the experiment. See, it's going to test what you're curious about. So the experiment is going to be the one in the dark that is not getting the sunlight it needs. It's important in this experiment that you treat both plants the same, and one of those things you need to make sure is that they have adequate water. You know, the one in the sunlight's probably going to need water more often than the one in the dark. So here's what I want you to do. It's pretty simple. Just every couple days, check your plant just by touching the soil with your finger. If it's dry, add a couple tablespoons of water to make sure it has enough. If you touch it and the soil's still damp, it has adequate water. Don't worry about watering it today.